This shows an almost empty directory, that is, ylab-output. Certain environment must be created first, for example, YOLO-V, E, and V. Batch.py, only a few files needed to be left in the subdirectory ylab-output for refilling output data. Among them are results.csv and data.json. Showing Python batch.py, where options in batch.py are -d directory, -s settings, -o output device. How to create a YOLO environment? For example, source activate YOLO-v env. How to start VHTool standalone? In npm space start. Executing batch.py, showing the detection and counting in batch mode. Importing TensorFlow, building model, GPU mode with 70% capacity, and processing frame, for example 1 to 5, rendering video, detection, finish.